This video is sponsored by Jota Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced HUD script from Jota Dev into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. If you click over here, you can see the preview video of the HUD. The HUD will cost you around 25 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. Now we have to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, go to assets. Now we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here, open your HUD SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now open the setting.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. The framework section, I'll be keeping it on auto, and for the notification, I'll be keeping it on auxlib. And from here, you can change the language of the script. The default is going to be for English. This is a command to open the HUD settings. And this is the keybind over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default HUD script from your resource. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the first look of the HUD which we have installed into our FiveM server. On the top right, you can see the logo, your name, your ID, weather, bank, cash, job, and more. And on the bottom left, you can see your player status and the mini map. Now to open the HUD settings, we just have to type /HUD. You can configure each particular logo as you like. These are predefined colors over here. This is option for HUD variations, as you can see. So I'll be selecting this style, which is over here. The third option is for speedometers. This is the speedometer for car. For car, you will get two different type of speedometers. This one is for motorcycles, this one is for airplane, and the last one is for boat. The fourth option is for optimization. You can select it according to your preference. The last option is for settings. You can activate or deactivate these options from here. The last option is for edit mode. You can replace all these things as you like. Increase the size, decrease the size. You can choose different type of variations through this. So this is the speedometer for bike over here, as you can see. And over here, this is the speedometer for car. Over here, this is the speedometer for plane and helicopters. And finally, this is the speedometer for boat. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.